painted by the one and only Chastin Brand.
Here it is.
What'd you do to this thing, man?
All right, so we got an initial sketch, got it on there. Did some gold leaf, engine turned, hand painted everything else. Brush blends, banners, filigree, gold leaf pinstriping, all through the whole toolbox, set the toolbox.
It is badass. Exceeded my expectations, and I can't wait to show this off. We'll be taking it around to all our shows. Come see us. And if you need anything hand painted and add a little badassery to anything, contact our man